Sophia the couponer here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about an app called Temu, and I actually have a package that I'm going to open. Now, I got these things for completely free because I got a $1 free credit. If you hear those little paws, that's my dog in the background just walking around. Maybe you'll see her, I'm not sure. But I got a $1 credit for free from this app. I will definitely talk about this app more towards the end of the video and in the middle of the video, of course, but I definitely want to open up this first. Pretty excited. I got 3 things free using a $1 credit. Didn't even have to pay a shipping or anything. That credit covered the shipping. My dog and her paws are crazy. But anyways, there she is. Look, you guys, it's Ruby. So today is Shopmas day 6. Pretty exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this package. Alright, you guys, so here we are. So the first thing, oh wow, this is actually a gift card or giveaway to your family and friends. Okay, this is actually cool. I actually got these things. It's telling me to scratch them, like scan the codes. I'm gonna see how this works and see if I can actually do this for you guys. That's actually pretty cool. Anyways, back to, oh my gosh. No, there is no way. There is literally no way, you guys. I was able to get 3 products for completely free because there was a Black Friday sale for 33 cents for like these products. And I didn't have to pay it shipping, no taxes, nothing, because the $1 credit covered it. And I ordered 3 things of oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe it. I really can't believe this. I got these necklaces. Guys, these are gonna be Christmas gifts probably. Or not necklaces, these are earrings. That is my bad. These are also earrings. This is the necklace. This just came for free with a $1 credit. I didn't have to put any info in there. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how beautiful. You guys, I'm like so shocked right now. Do you guys see this? These earrings? Guys, I just got these for free. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm gonna wear them. These are definitely so big, but look how cute these are. I like these butterfly ones. Guys, I'm shocked right now. I am literally in shock. These are the earrings. I think I might give them as a gift for Christmas to somebody because this is so cute. All right, so this is the next thing. It's a necklace. I kind of open it like so weird. I already like ripped the thing, but this necklace is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys know me. I don't wear like a ton of jewelry, but if I have to dress up, I'll dress up. I only have like these little earrings on right now. This is like one of those necklaces that have like a bunch of them. I don't know if that makes sense. It's like a, what do you call them? Like a chain necklace. I just don't want it to get tangled, but look at this. It has the words angel. I don't know if I focus, but I think it says angel, I'm pretty sure. But it basically, oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. What? This is insane. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, like the quality is actually really good too. I'm literally in shock, like, actually. So that's the necklace. Now the next thing in this bag, these are earrings. These are the other cheapest things I could find. These are just earrings. These are pretty big. I might give them to my mom or something. Alright guys, so before I got a code on here. Basically, it is free 8872. Honestly, the first new user to put that in, I think you'll get a giveaway. And I think this actually gives you credits because when I put it in, it opened up the credit. So if that works for anyone new, whoever got this first, let me know. I still have 2 more that I'll literally give away. I will literally give these 2 away right now. So all you have to do is, this is for new users, you guys. So all you have to do is just be subscribed to my channel, turn on those post notifications, and comment done when you signed up. Now, this is for all new Temu app users. So if you already have the app, I don't think it'll work for you because when I looked it up, I didn't get anything. I think this code will work for someone who's new. So again, the code is free 8872. So if this code worked for you, please let me know down in the comments section so that way I can give away these 2 because this says for all new Temu app users. So I definitely want to see how that plays out because you can probably get some free credits and I think that'll definitely help you guys out. And yeah. Alright, so myself, I am personally a little bit newer to this app as well. I'm going to be showing you guys what I am literally looking at on my screen right now. So what I'm looking up on my phone is literally what you guys are seeing right here on the screen. This is basically the Temu app. And as you can see here, we have all this. Now, I will have the link down below for you to sign up. Sign up using the link down below. And then the first thing you're going to want to do is click redeem coins. Now, it's going to tell you a bunch of people have won, but you should be getting some free spins. Now, you can go ahead and spin, get some coins. Now, the trick is for this, you really just need to get a bunch of people to basically just use your link and refer them. Now, when you sign up, you don't have to link any card, no payment. You don't have to buy nothing, you guys. Just if someone uses your link and sign up, you will get a spin. And with the spins here, if you go here to redeem, you can see all of these cost coins. Now with these coins, you can redeem them and they can go directly into your PayPal. I love, love, love this option. This is definitely a very, very fast thing that will happen. And it's just so easy to do this. And it is super, super fast. And then that is basically the redeem coin section. It is pretty easy. There are a bunch of different ways that you can make cash on this app. The other one that I love is called the Fishland. So once you go in, you're gonna get a bunch of food to feed the fish. And when you get a bunch of food to feed the fish, you have to reach a certain amount of fish. Like here I have to collect 7 fish to get a cash prize of $20. And in order to get this fish food, we actually do get a bunch of fish food that they give us, and you're able to get like 4 fishes free on your own. But then the other ones are more, so you can go here, click get more, and there are a bunch of different ways that you can get the free fish food. Now a lot of the ways you have to purchase things, but here we're not gonna do that if you don't want to. Again, all you really have to do is get people to use your referral link, and you can go ahead and score that and get like a $20 PayPal card for feeding the fish. Or you can just go ahead, log in every day, invite people, get the fish food and stuff like that, and just feed the fish. It's pretty fun. That's my other one that I like to do. So another way is you can look up cash rewards. Now, once you open up cash rewards, this is another way. Now, I can invite a certain amount of people. It's going to tell you to pick a card, pick any card. Now, if I invite a certain amount of people, I can get cash. Now this will be the same option for you. Again, all you have to do to get those people to sign up is just use your link to sign up. That is literally it. No credit card, no debit card, nothing. None of that information has to be put in. They just need to sign up with that link, and if they want, honestly, they can delete the app after and you'll still get that credit. But as you can see here, I can literally get $70 back, but that means a $20 cash to PayPal and a $50 coupon off of my order of 100, which is really good. And I think I might have to order off of this website again because it's pretty good, but I think just with credits. So if I invite 6 people, I get $70. Just to invite a person, you click invite friends and you basically copy your link and share. Now that is the third way that you can basically get money, is from cash rewards. Now the next one is how I got the free jewelry. Is you're gonna want to look up credit giveaway. Definitely awesome. So here they give you tickets to draw. Usually it's gonna give you like the 15% or the 10%, but when I went ahead and did it, I was so lucky I got the $1 credit. But you can go ahead and continue those, and in order to get more credits, again, you can just get people to use your code when signing up, and when they sign up, you can get more tickets, and with those tickets, you can draw them again and get credits to get stuff, you guys. And that is so here. As you can see here, we're gonna click get more tickets. Now, per registered user, so say someone already signed up, you can still send it to them and you can get 1 to 30 tickets. But if it's a new person, you can get 30 to 70 tickets. So it's definitely a huge like referral thing that you have to do. And I think it's pretty easy to get those referrals in, because again, you just need to sign up. You don't have to put any linking with your cards. You don't have to purchase anything. And I think it's really awesome and really fast. Now, the next option that I'm actually kind of new to is I looked up free gifts. So then, as you can see here, I'm picking out this thing. It's going to tell me, oh, I'm getting a free gift. I picked it out and now it's saying pick a free gift. So I can go down here, look at all of these gifts, and basically I'm also getting free shipping on all free gifts. So supposedly, when you pick a free item here and you get enough people to use your referral link for this, you can get one of these items for completely free. Now, something that interests me, honestly, if I'm being honest, it's not a lot. There are a lot of things like an air fryer and stuff like that. I definitely want to go ahead and try something out, and let's see if we can get something for free, you guys. Let's go ahead and honestly, let's try this little graphic hoodie. So this is a Los Angeles, California hoodie. So it looks like we can get a black one. There's royal blue, navy blue, or this color. Ooh, this color is actually really nice. And I'm gonna get a size small. So it's a value of $10.99. I'm gonna click confirm gift. And you see there, it shows my address and stuff like that, so I have to block that out. But I'm confirming that address and stuff. So in order to get that free hoodie, I have to invite a certain amount of people. So it looks like I only need 6 referrals to get this free gift. Now, if you guys can help me out and click the link down below, maybe we can get this free hoodie. So that would be very, very cool. I'll keep you updated, of course, on the community tab if this works out. I have a feeling it will work out. And we do get free shipping. Again, you can definitely go ahead and pick anything else you guys want. There are a bunch of other options, like I said. I just went ahead and picked out that hoodie. Now that I'm looking, it looks like there are so many other awesome options. But again, I personally think it depends on what you choose. For example, if you have to choose an air fryer, I think you might have to get more referrals. I think it depends on what item you get. So honestly, that is a quick little tutorial and like overview of what I've been finding out about this app. I'm still learning this app, you guys, but I will leave the link down below to sign up for this app. And if you guys want to help me out with basically getting those credits in, because honestly, if I can get a bunch of credits, you guys, I think I'm going to continue to get a bunch of free stuff, and I think I'm going to give away some stuff to you guys, because that would be so awesome, is if we could help each other out. I could build so much store credit, and I could basically get so much stuff for free, you guys, and I can give it away to you guys. So I think that would be pretty fun. I also want to see if we can score that free hoodie. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about this app, just let me know. I'm still discovering it and still trying to learn more about this app, but definitely use the link down below to sign up and help me feed my fish, help me get some coins, help me get that Los Angeles sweatshirt, and to help me out with some more free stuff. Your referrals, your friends, family, all they have to do is sign up using your link. Again, they don't even have to purchase anything, you guys, which is awesome. They don't have to link any card, nothing, nada. And literally, I can tell you guys, I've actually made credit from this app, and I had multiple cash outs already onto PayPal from just referring my friends. Yes, you guys, it is legit. You get this cash back right into PayPal, so it's pretty awesome. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed Shopmas Day 6, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!